Goodbye programmers, a wake-up call for programmers. We will say goodbye to our company's front-end programmer and replace him with ChatGPT. Stay with us until the end of this video. This video is the first in a series of challenge videos. The aim here to present a challenge and then go ahead and tackle it. These videos are designed to be entirely practical for both work and life. Replacing a front-end programmer with ChatGPT. Task: converting a Figma design into executable code. Note: our chosen platform is mobile with the iOS operating system, but this doesn't make a difference to ChatGPT. To do this, we're creating a GPT. Our GPT is a senior iOS developer, and we've defined its tasks. It asks us for a name and generates a picture with DALL-E. It also asks us a series of questions to complete the GPT creation. Alright, our GPT programmer is ready and we want to use it instead of our programmer. We take a screenshot of the Figma design and give it to the GPT to convert it into code. It starts by writing the basics and leaves out the details. We tell it to give us the complete code, and it delivers a complete code to us. Alright, we created an Xcode project to see the code output for testing. The initial output is too general and unacceptable. We continue and tell it to follow the Figma design fully. It starts coding. Here's the second output, which is better. Regarding images, it has identified the types on its own and replaced them. Of course, naturally, we have to import the profile and other logos into the project. If you have liked the video so far, remember to like and subscribe so you can experience our future challenges. After adding the profile, we rerun it. Moving on to the next attempt for a better output. We show the result to GPT and ask if it matches the Figma design. It explains what we should do and we tell it to write the code. The code it provided had a better output, but only by a little. This time, we specifically marked the parts that had problems. Well, it understood our point about which parts we meant, but it doesn't correctly identify colors because it didn't give the correct color code when I asked about the color. However, if it uses a code interpreter, meaning it actually uses Python libraries, it provides a more accurate answer. The orange frame area needs to be corrected. We are trying to get the correct output from ChatGPT. It seems the code it gave is correct, but it crashes. Also, we can send our code for correction. We fix this crash ourselves. Now we focus on the details and improve them. For example, we add the page title and the bell icon. Alright, we've reached the message limit of ChatGPT 4 and need to wait. The current output is not final and there are still details left. But the question is, can ChatGPT replace a programmer in a company? Not quite yet, because as you saw, the code generated by ChatGPT still requires a programmer's expertise to be utilized effectively. So it's a great assistant for programmers and not yet their competitor, but their friend. But who knows about the future? What do you think? Will AI tools replace programmers in the future? Write your thoughts in the comments, and if you liked the video, please like and subscribe and share it with your friends. Goodbye.